how to send cash with Cash App. So this is very basic. All you need to do is load up Cash App and then type an amount from the home screen here. Let's say that we want to send $20. Type the amount and then you will click on pay here at the bottom. And next you will have to provide either that person's name, cash tag, phone, or email. So whichever one you know, you can type here. I'm gonna do a cash tag, so I'm just gonna type cash Pete, and here you will see all of these people and you can just send money to them. Let's do this person, and now it should be bolded and highlighted essentially. This means that the person is selected. You have the option of syncing your contacts, so you can just click on sync contacts, and if your contacts have a Cash App account, then you will be able to see them here. Next, you will have to choose a note or type a note why you are sending this money. So for example, you can do rent, and then you will choose the balance here. So you have the option of Cash App balance, or if you have a debit card connected, you can use it to send this money. Afterwards, you will click on pay here, and if you have sufficient funds, then that is gonna take the payment, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.